Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to change your gas lid or fuel filler neck cover lock, because this part right here broke, so you can't close it. So I already have the new one here. And that's the part number, and they call it fuel filler door. So that's what they call it. Alright, and this is what it looked like. So this part broke off from right here, so the fuel door don't stay closed, so I gotta change that, and I gotta get it from the inside of the car. You don't have to take out the panel. You can just remove this right here, but somebody already removed this. But I'm going to take it off so you guys can see what's taking place back there. So you just need to remove this clip right here. You have one right there, and one over there, alright? So you can get access to see back there. Alright? So you need to remove the clips. Let's go here, the clip tool. And you have one right here also. Alright. So you want to pull this down. And now that will give you access to that right there. You want to hold it. Alright. So as you can see, you have a clip right here. You gotta squeeze this right here and unplug it. And also this you wanna hold and take it out through here. Alright. And now you wanna go around the other side. So around here you wanna take off the fuel cap. And also you're gonna have two 10mm right here to take off. And take them off. That thing in the back should come out. Alright, so the screws removed. You can take off this little plastic piece right there. Take that off. And also you want to come around here. Nothing really to it, you just come around here and hold this and take it out. Just shake it out and it will come out like that, alright? And you want to go ahead and put the new one the same way you take out that one, alright? Alright, so you get this one, put it over and in. That. I'm gonna go ahead, come around this side, get your little thing like this, put it over here. So you want to get this and put it over here. Get your 10mm. Tighten it up. You just want to catch them in so they can, so the thing don't fall on the inside. Alright, you want to catch the bottom one too. And run them in, alright? Just want to run them in. Alright, got them nice and tight. So lock back your fuel cap, close your door, come around here, run this through right here, and you want to plug your harness back in. Bring this back up. You want to catch your clips back in and push this up like this and push it on here, and it should stick on like Velcro. Alright, so after you put in your clip, make sure you double check your work, make sure everything is good. Lock your fuel door. You want to go ahead and press the button and check that it's working. Alright, thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. If I help you, help me. You can go ahead and leave a donation if you like. That would help me so much. Thank you. Really appreciate you guys. Alright.